Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to the world of adorable fashion as we unveil our handcrafted collection of baby knitwear. In this video, we are thrilled to share with you a treasure trove of cozy sweaters and charming frocks, each designed to make your little star shine bright. From playful sweaters boasting colorful stripes to dainty frocks embellished with intricate detailing, our assortment offers a delightful mix of styles to suit every personality. Whether it's a relaxed day at home or a special outing, these garments are sure to capture hearts wherever your baby goes. Every piece in our collection is a label of love meticulously crafted with the softest hands to ensure maximum comfort and warmth for your little one. Designed with both style and practicality in mind, these knitwear creations are as functional as they're adorable. Join us as we showcase the beauty and charm of handmade baby fashion and get inspired to dress your little style in the cutest knitwear creations around. Now don't forget to show your support by liking and commenting and subscribing for more